Now is the winter of our discontent, made glorious summer by this sun of York, and all the clouds that lowered upon our house, in the deep bosom of the ocean buried. Now our brows bound with victorious wreaths, bruised arms hung up for monuments, our stern alarms changed to merry meetings, our dreadful marches to delightful measures. Grim-visaged war hath smoothed its wrinkled front. Now, instead of mounting barbed steeds to fright the souls of fearful adversaries, he capers nimbly in a lady's chamber, to the lascivious pleasing of a lute. But I that am not shaped for sportive tricks, nor made court an amorous looking-glass, I that am rudely stamped on love's majesty to strut before a wanton ambling nymph, I that am curtailed of fair proportion and cheated of feature by dissembling nature, deformed, unfinished, and sent before my time into this breathing world scarce half made up, and so lamely and unfashionable that dogs do bark at me as I help by them. Why, I, in this weak, piping time of peace, have no delight to pass away the time, unless to see mine own shadow in the sun, descant on mine own deformity. Since I cannot prove a lover to entertain these farewell-spoken days, I am determined to prove a villain. I am determined to prove a villain, and hate the idle pleasures of these days.